Hi, Snickers and Butterfingers. Everybody should have a worksheet that looks like this that says Thursday, October 23rd. We're going to be doing similar work to what we've been doing for the past 2 days. Okay, first I want to review the problem from yesterday. I was very impressed with you guys because most of you actually got this problem correct, which is awesome because we had a problem very similar to this on the MLQ that I think only 2 people got correct out of the entire 6th grade. So the fact that almost all the Snickers and Butterfingers are getting this correct, or at least close to correct, there are a few people who are like 1 number off or something like that, that is awesome. That's really great work, and that shows in 2 days we've already grown so much. So let's keep working hard. All right, so let's revisit this problem. So Sarah babysits for 8 hours in a week and earns $10 per hour. Then at the end of the week, she goes to the store and buys a pair of jeans for $20 and P pairs of shoes for $5 each. Write an expression that can be used to find the amount of money Sarah has now. All right, so I read this problem, and I think it's very similar to the last problem we did, where it's somebody making a certain amount of money and then spending part of that on different things. So I want to know first, how much money did she make? So I'm going to say money, I'll just put a dollar sign, money made. I'm going to separate it for now. Okay, so she made $10 because she made $10 per hour and worked 8 hours. So each of those 8 hours, she earned $10. So she made 10H. But then she went to the store and went shopping. And she bought 2 things. First, she bought, I need to reread the problem, I just forgot. Oh, she bought a pair of jeans. So she spent 20, but she didn't just buy a pair of jeans. She also bought a few pairs of shoes. She bought P pairs of shoes, and each of those shoes cost $5. So she also spent 5P. So she made this amount of money. So that means she has this amount of money, but then we need to take away some of it. So let's write it out. So we have 10H, the amount she started with, but then we need to subtract 20 because you need to take away $20 from this. But we still need to take away more because she also bought shoes. So then we need to subtract 5P. Some people put an addition sign here, which is just a little mistake, but we need to make sure that we don't have one there because we're taking away more of her money, her $10H. We're not adding to it. If we were adding to it, that would mean she was earning more money or getting more back. I also saw that some people wrote it another way, which is another example we did. They grouped the amount of money she made and then grouped the amount of money she spent. This is completely correct as well. So both of these answers are awesome. Again, a lot of you got the answer correct or really close to it, and that is really great to see. Okay, so let's look at one more problem. Miss Salinas earns $10 for every hour she teaches and $8 for every hour she babysits. Last week, she taught for X hours and babysat for Y hours. At the end of the week, she spent $12 on a new dress. She then bought N notebooks for her students, each of which cost $5. How much money does she have left? All right, when I read this problem, I think, heck, this is a lot of variables that we're dealing with, right? And we have 3 variables in this problem that we need to figure out how to put into expression. So I've actually written the expression for you. I need you to tell me what this expression means. So I want you to write a rage response telling me first, what does the 10x plus 8y represent? And using evidence from the word problem. And then on the back, what does the 12 plus 5n represent? You're then going to write an expression for your own problem. The next problem is a little bit easier, so it'll be easier to write that expression. Make sure you're really keeping in your mind, okay, what does it mean when I'm writing this expression? What am I trying to represent? And then justify that with your rage response. Good luck. I know you guys can do a great job just like you did on the last one.